Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another case review. This time we're going to be looking at the all new Turtleskin from Poetic. Let's check it out. So let's get this case open and check it out and see what it looks like. All right, so we have it open. This is the actual turtle skin. Now, it is exactly what it says. This is a skin. This is rubberized material, or actual premium feeling, nice feeling rubberized, and it has some give to it. That's a good thing when you put your tablet in, because these edges are hard. So the give on the back is for the cushion, and the edges are to protect from when those falls are going to happen. Right away, we see we got our Poetic branding right there on the back, right here, Poetic down bottom, camera cutouts. Let's go ahead and get the tablet in there and see what we think about this one. So first off, I'm going to just pop this in all the way around. Perfect. Got it in there. Now, I'm not expecting the Apple Pencil to stick to the side of this. Yep, it will not. Now, your magnet is available right here, but your Apple Pencil can get nowhere near it because of the rubberized shell. So we're going to set this to the side right now. Now, Poetic does not advertise that this is pencil friendly. I just wanted to try it and see if it would stick to the side any. But right away we see we have a nice shell for this iPad. Up top, we got our mics open. We got our power home button right there, or our power button, no home button, I'm sorry. We got our power button right there. Down bottom, everything is open. We have speaker grills here. So the speaker is gonna play out of here. And with this being here on the sides, it's going to open up for a whole new level of sound. It's going to give you a little bit more acoustics because it's going to be channeling the sound towards you. So we're going to check that out in just a little while. All right, so I told you about the actual speaker grills being covered up from the bottom and from the top, and you have these little cutouts on the side. So let's see how the sound is actually amplified through this method. So it actually amplifies that sound a little bit more when it's in here versus the speakers coming out from the side. They have something to kind of bounce off of. So kudos to Poetic for giving us a little bit of amplification through the speakers on this tablet case. So what else can we say about this tablet case? You have hard rubberized edges. At first it feels a little flimsy in the hand, but once you actually get the tablet in there, it feels really great and it has a nice grip. It's a little slippery on the back, which I'm not a big fan of, but it is very protected. If you notice right here, you have nice raised edges. Your screen will never touch. Rubberized sides. It's going to bounce when it hits. The only way that you're going to crack this screen is if you drop it at an angle. So we like this case. Poetic, go check them out. I'm going to leave a link below so you can go and pick up one of these cases yourself. I think it'll be a good investment for anybody that's on the go. Now, like I said, you will not get the charging factor with your pencil, but it is a nice case. It is sleek, it is smooth, and you do get that sound amplification with those speaker grates being on the sides. So hope this is able to help someone. Please, I'm going to leave a link below. Go by and check out this product. Give me that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.